everyone, it's Dawn. I have some super quick and easy cards for you today. I'm going to be using one of my favorite colors, Highland Heather. Of course, it's purple. And I just recently received this stamp set, Sending You Thoughts. It is all sentiments, no images or anything. So this is a really great set to use if you're just starting out. I'm also going to be using the designer series paper called Best Dressed. These come in 6x6 sheets. Look at all these gorgeous colors and patterns. Aren't they beautiful? I'm going to use this pattern and start off with, I cut this down to 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to attach it to our card base, which is the Highland Heather. And this is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2. And I did score it at 4 1/4 just to make it easier to fold. Give it a nice crisp edge. And I'll go ahead and get my adhesive and add it to the back of here. Look at that's another fun print you could use. Let me go ahead and put this in the center. And attach that. Now I'm going to take a little piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 1 by 2 1/2. I'll be using the Highland Heather ink. And today I'm using the sentiment, If Loving Thoughts Could Heal. And I'm going to ink that up. And then just put that on the center here. There we go. I'm going to set that aside. Then I'm going to attach it to a piece of Highland Heather. And this is cut just 1/4 inch larger. So this is cut at 2 3/4 by 1 1/4. I'm going to add some adhesive. And then just center this on here. Then I'm going to add some of the foam dimensionals. And peel them off. Make sure I have my opening correct. I'm just going to put this down in the bottom corner. Now for the inside, I'm going to take a piece of the Whisper White, and this is cut at 5 1/4 by 4. And I'm going to stamp the sentiment. This one is If Loving Thoughts Could Heal. This one says You'd Be Better Already. So I'm going to, actually before I ink that up, I want to take a piece of the scrap paper. When I cut this down to size, I ended up with these 2 extra pieces. So I think I'm going to use this little piece and just put it on the side here, just as a little added decoration. So I'm just going to add some adhesive. I'm just gonna put it just like that. Okay, now I'm going to ink up the stamp. And then just put that right here. There. Okay, now all we need to do is attach this to the inside of the card. Actually, I think I'm gonna see a little bit of this pattern paper peeking out a little bit, so I'm gonna just trim that off. Okay. Now attach that. And we're done. That is it. Super easy, real quick, really nice card. I love this pattern paper. Here's a couple of more cards I made with the packet of paper and the sentiments. And I just stamped on the inside. And this one is a birthday. And I just added the sentiment on the inside. And then one more I made is this one. And I added the little strip inside here also. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed these cards. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.